2021, losses from fire in farms and barns alone resulted in over $150 million in crop damages. Additionally, in the same year, fire caused about 700,000 animal deaths in the United States alone. During the Open Innovation Factory project, we significantly improved the visualization aspect and machine learning aspects of the digital twin. The new machine learning algorithm can now detect the fire with much higher accuracy, and this allows for a significant reduction of false detections that previously has not been achieved. The new model can detect the flame and fire at farther distances and with great precision. Localization of the fire is an important aspect of a digital twin. Previously, it was impossible to perform such a task. During this project, we enabled the digital twin to accurately localize the fire and dynamically present it in the 3D model. Moreover, we studied the performance of the second generation HoloLens for the creation of the point cloud. This was due to the need for the automation of the 3D modeling. The HoloLens results, although promising, but did not offer the level of automation intended for. We then focused our efforts on the experimentation with the NERF model. The NERF allows the use of a video footage for the creation of a point cloud. NERF eliminates the need for special equipment and allows the creation of a point cloud only using a regular camera. Over the course of this project, we created multiple large models using NERF. Moreover, during this project, we replaced the previous dashboard. We enable now the flexible and customer-oriented dashboard that allows future developments and integration with clients' diverse needs. During the integration and creation of the entire digital twin, we combined the improved parts created during this project, and we are offering this to our clients in Finland and Sweden.